In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make simple and healthy tacos with 2 different kinds of protein. I am Paula Romero and I wanna share with you simple ways to cook good food. I like tacos for dinner because they're easy to make and they're fun to eat. Nothing like a long day of hard work to have something fun for a meal. So I'm gonna make with 2 different proteins. I'm gonna start with chicken, and we're gonna season the chicken with some salt, black pepper. I have here garlic powder, turmeric, and smoked paprika, and olive oil. I'm using chicken thighs, but if you prefer chicken breast, that's fine. And you know what? I forgot one ingredient. I forgot the cumin. And from here, we're gonna grill the chicken. Our pan is already hot. You're gonna love the spice mix. It goes so well with chicken. It works every time. So while the chicken cooks, I'm gonna make here some Pico de Gallo to go with it. And I have some fresh tomatoes, I have red onions, jalapeño, cilantro of course, lemon juice, salt and pepper. The refreshing flavors of this Pico de Gallo is gonna complement that chicken so well. Oh my God. Tacos also are a great option for birthday parties. You can choose from a variety of meat like chicken, pork, beef, seafood, whatever you like, or even grilled veggies. They make very good tacos, and with a nice sauce on top, it's a party. Let me give this a try. Everything goes together. I just need to let it rest a few minutes. Chicken is ready. I'm gonna remove it from the heat and we're gonna let it rest for about 5 minutes. Our next taco is gonna be shrimp taco with red cabbage and avocado yogurt sauce. My favorite. Tacos actually also can be very affordable. They are portable, they travel well, something that you can take for lunch an office, or you can take to a park, a day in the park. They just need to be dressed up just before you serve them. Otherwise they get soggy and messy, then it's not nice. So I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna bake the shrimp. I have here some salt and pepper, garlic powder and smoked paprika, lemon zest, and also some lemon juice, just a little bit, and olive oil. Give it a toss, and we're gonna bake them at 375 degrees for about 5 minutes, because shrimp cook very fast and we don't want them to get chewy. We want them to be soft and creamy texture. And in the meanwhile, we're gonna make avocado yogurt sauce that is gonna make this shrimp taste so much better in that taco. Oh my God. We're gonna mash an avocado. You can use a blender if you want to, but I like some chunky sauce. To the avocado, we're gonna add the yogurt. I have non-fat Greek yogurt. Some salt, black pepper, some lemon juice, and chopped cilantro. If you are not a fan of cilantro, you can use parsley. And the lemon juice, you can add as much or as little as you want. If you think the sauce is too thick, you can add some more lemon juice. There you go. It's good, but I think it's missing really the lime juice. I think the lime juice will be a better taste than the lemon juice. Maybe a mix of both of them will be perfect, but it's really missing the lime juice. Okay, well, let's give this a try. Oh, much better. I guess we have everything we need for our tacos. So I'm gonna start with the chicken. Chicken is cooked through, but it's still moist and it smells so good. I'm just gonna give this chicken a rough chop. You must give this recipe a try. You're gonna love it. I have here some flour tortilla. I'm gonna start with the chicken at the bottom. I love tacos because they are not complicated, nothing fancy about it. Some shredded lettuce, and our Pico de Gallo. And this sauce is gonna complement so much the flavor of the chicken. I can't wait to eat this taco. Now I'm gonna make another one. Here we have it. Now my favorite. I'm gonna start with some red cabbage and carrots at the bottom. The crunchy texture of the cabbage and carrots. The sweet and creamy flavor of the shrimp. With this simple and delicious sauce is an explosion of flavors in your mouth. They're tasty and healthy. I'm gonna make another one.
If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you will know when we post a new video. Because on your next Tuesday night, these are the ones that you're gonna make because they are quick, they are healthy, and they are delicious. I'll see you next time.